Hello guys, I am from Gogras, Maths Sub. I am going to explain question number 5. That has been taken from chapter 3, Matrix and CRT 12 Mathematics. The question is, so that the matrix B dash AB is symmetric or skew symmetric according as A is symmetric or skew symmetric. This is the question about which I am going to discuss here. Here I shall write solution. Here the question says matrix B dash AB is symmetric. Here it says A is a symmetric matrix. Here I shall write since A is a symmetric matrix. Since A is a symmetric matrix, hence A dash is equal to A. Since A is a symmetric matrix, hence transpose of the matrix A is equal to the matrix A itself. Now matrix B dash AB. So here I shall write implied that B dash AB का ट्रांसपोज equal to in curly bracket B dash AB का ट्रांसपोज B dash AB का ट्रांसपोज B dash AB will be written in bracket, this one comes out to be is equal to, here formula is there. What is formula? EB का ट्रांसपोज इक्वल टू B dash A dash. AB का ट्रांसपोज ऑफ द मैट्रिक्स AB इक्वल टू B dash A dash. You will get here AB का ट्रांसपोज B dash का B dash. This one you will get B dash dot in bracket AB का ट्रांसपोज. First of all we shall write AB का ट्रांसपोज डॉट B dash का ट्रांसपोज. Here you will get B dash का ट्रांसपोज comes out to BB. So here you will get, here it will become AB का ट्रांसपोज comes out to B का ट्रांसपोज डॉट A का ट्रांसपोज, here you will get only B. This thing you will get. Since A is a symmetric matrix, the A transpose of the matrix A equal to A. You will get here B dash A B. This thing you will get. The same result we have got. B dash AB का ट्रांसपोज. This thing we will get. B dash AB का ट्रांसपोज comes out to be B dash AB. Hence B dash AB is a symmetric matrix. This result you will get. B dash AB, B dash AB. Cut down for this thing. In this way it will be written. This one, this one. Now this one. Okay. Now next question I shall take. Let A is a skew symmetric matrix. Hence, A dash is equal to minus A. Let A is a skew symmetric matrix, hence A dash is equal to minus A. This thing will get. Skew symmetric matrix. What to do? The similar way I shall write open here curly bracket B dash AB B dash AB का ट्रांसपोज will get here B dash in bracket AB, this one. AB will be written in bracket B dash, this one. Again I shall write equal to AB का ट्रांसपोज डॉट B डैश का ट्रांसपोज इक्वल टू AB का ट्रांसपोज कम्स आउट टू बी B डैश A डैश और B डैश का ट्रांसपोज कम्स आउट टू बी B. Again I shall write B dash since A dash equal to minus A. So here write minus A B. This one will be written. So again I shall write equal to minus B dash EB can be written like this. This minus will be reflected at this place. B dash EB. You will get here B dash EB का ट्रांसपोज. This thing we have got. Transpose of B dash EB equal to minus B dash EB. B dash AB, B dash AB minus. Hence Yes, here I since A dash is equal to minus A. Explanations are also necessary. And here write B dash ka dash is equal to B. Here you can see AB का transpose equal to B dash A dash. This thing. Hence, B dash AB is a skew symmetric matrix. In this way, this question will be solved. Okay, guys, thanks.